Y sigo improvisando porque le pongo la actitud. Para la gente pues de San Luis grabar video para que lo suba para YouTube. Que yo vengo con mucha virtud y vengo poniendo pendiente la actitud. Wow, el ritmo no se desborda de Big Box como Michael Jordan.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? Todd Dow here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make $200 by just listening to music. Now, I made a video prior to this, it was about a year ago, and in that video I share with you again the same type of tactic, but here's a different website that we're actually going to be using today that allows you to be able to make between $50 and $200 just by listening to music. Okay, so all you got to do is follow along inside of the video. I'm going to show you the website, show you everything that you need in order to start making money with listening to music. Now, just a few years ago, I never would have thought it'd been possible to be able to create an income just by listening to music. So this day and age, 2020, 2021, you could tell that there's a lot of different ways that people are figuring out how to make money or how to promote their business. So these types of websites help individuals who have music or creating music that allow them to actually get more streams on their music by having these types of websites help to promote it. So people or individuals like ourselves get to listen to this music that they actually create on this network, and we get paid for listening to it. But in return, the person who did create the music actually gets those streams that they wanted. So it's a win-win situation for both you and I, and also the person who created the music in the first place. If you're brand new to this YouTube channel, all you got to do is go ahead and hit that subscribe button right below this video, or off to the left hand or right hand side of this video. You can click that button and go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you do not miss any videos on this YouTube channel. I go in depth on different ways to make money online. I give you the websites, I show you the game plan and what you need to do. And so all I'm asking is obviously to go ahead and hit that like button on this video so that you help me to reach more people just like yourself who are looking for different ways to make money online. Maybe there's individuals who really need a job right now, or are looking for different ways to supplement their income, and this is one of them. So when you like this video, it allows me to reach more people just like you, so that they can learn these tactics and these tricks on how to make money online. So with that being said, as every day that I create a video here, I have a word of the day, and the word of the day is song. If you comment song right below this video, it's gonna allow you to be able to get inside of my giveaway. I do a giveaway every single Friday where I'm giving away my e-com course, my YouTube course that I'm coming out with in the future, and any other courses that I come out with at the time. I will give you access to it just by commenting underneath my video. Every Friday, I use a name generator that picks through my comments and randomly selects a commenter, and that's how I choose my winner for every single Friday. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna hop into my computer so I can show you the website and how you're gonna be able to make $50 to $200 just by listening to music right here on your cell phone. All right, so we're inside my computer and we arrived on the website. It's called earnradio.com. And the way that earnradio.com actually works is very simple. You sign up for a free account, you go ahead and sign in, you start listening to the radio, and then you start earning your credits, okay? So this platform actually gives you credits for the music that you listen to, and then at the end of the month, they convert those credits over into real dollars, okay? And you can get paid out through your Bankwire, Amazon gift cards, and or Bitcoin, okay? And so I like to use Bankwire. It's a lot easier, straight into the bank. And there are other ways to actually get paid through here. You can actually use PayPal as well. But this website is very easy to use. And the great thing about it is that you can use it worldwide. See, I live in Colombia right now. And so as you can see here in the green, there's 7 people right now listening in Colombia to music just to earn income here. They've already paid out $221 million on this platform, and they have 264,000 people on here. Right now, there's 490 listeners right now at 8:44 in the morning CST time, okay? And so the features of this whole website is it's very easy to go ahead and dive in here. I'm gonna go ahead and sign up, log in, and then I'm gonna show you what you need to do next. All right, I just signed up and logged into a brand new account here so I can demonstrate exactly how you do this. So you're gonna go ahead and click on Start Earning, listen to radio, and then they have a radio right here, Start Radio number 4. So once you do that, it's gonna open up a page just like this. It will have
tremors cause I need both angles. MVP of this. Ice my girl up, let she sneeze.
Let me pause this real quick. So basically you're gonna listen to this music right here, and then the next payment, and basically whenever you get done watching this music or listening to this music, is actually going to give you credits for it. And like I said before, you can just keep listening to this radio. You can have this in the background while you're working on something else, so you could be earning, you know, while you're actually working on some other project. Okay, and that's basically how I like to use it. I like to listen to the radio, or listen to the radio here on this website, and then as I'm working on new projects or working on websites or anything like that, I actually like to utilize this website for. So that's exactly how I would use this website. I would go and continue to listen to music, but I would have the music playing in the background as I'm working on other projects here. Okay, so basically that's what the game plan is, guys. You want to be able to earn while you're doing other things. You don't want to have this as your main income stream in order to start like making money online, okay? Because it's not a lot of money that you actually make from this website. But if you couple it with other websites that you can utilize with this, like my new video that I created about watching YouTube videos while you're, you know, basically you can make money by watching YouTube videos, right? You're watching this YouTube video right now. You're not currently making any money by watching it, but there's other websites like I mentioned to be able to make money with YouTube videos or watching YouTube videos, okay? So this is the website that I highly recommend that you go ahead and check out and start utilizing to start actually earning some money here. Another option that you can use with this radioearn.com is that you can go ahead and basically get the radio connected to your website. So every time that you or individuals actually hop on that website, you can actually have that set up on your website to start automatically playing. So that's another option too as well to start earning. But like I said again, go to start earning, go to listen radio, start listening to music in the background while you're working on other projects, okay? So with that being said, guys, that's how easy it is to start earning by listening to music here. I would, like I said again, have this playing in the background 24/7 as you're watching, you know, maybe Netflix videos, put it on, you know, put the volume on real low. You could be working on projects. There's all different ways that you can actually start making money with this while you're actually making money with something else, okay? So you can multiply the amount of money that you're making per hour by working multiple gigs at the same time, okay? So this is just one of the websites. Again, I'm gonna do another review on this a little bit later on. So if you go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, I'm gonna go ahead and update you on more reviews on this website. And if I find any other websites that you can listen to music on and earn more money than this website, then I will definitely share that with you on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and also give this video a thumbs up if you want to help other individuals just like yourself to be able to listen to music and make money while you're working on other things online, okay? So you guys take care, and definitely we'll see you at the top.